Used car lot number 2. And right off the back, I can see you're not going to be able to afford anything in here. So we out here looking for a new car for Brandon. Well, new car. He has a small budget. What about this one?
It's automatic.
Is it?
Yeah.
Brandon's preference is just to have a manual and a half decent car, I guess. That's what you're looking for. This is a manual?
Yeah.
Used car lot number 4 or 3? I'm losing count. Wait, that's cool. Is that a light? Oh, Harley Davidson. This car has seen better days. Look at that seat. I feel bad for some of these cars. They don't belong here.
So we're heading out today to look at a car for me. Before we do that, we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and get a code reader so we can scan the codes for the car.
We don't know if the car has any codes or anything, but you know how y'all are. Y'all like to reset the battery and stuff like that, and then codes pop up, take it out after we bought it for the first time.
It's the first time looking at a car because before we just went to used car lots, and this is the first time I'm free in a while to actually look at something.
And we're finding that you got a little bit of money, it doesn't go a far way at a used car lot. So, you know, check Craigslist and all the online places.
And people don't want to sell their car on Craigslist. We found that.
Yeah, it's not so much Craigslist, it's that damn marketplace. So many people I message and they don't reply. I even went to go see a car. The seller agreed to the price. I said, okay, I'll take the car right now. I got the money. He was like, well, I don't know where the title is, and blah, 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 blah. I dealt with him for like 2 or 3 days. And I think he really didn't want to sell the car. And what the hell did you put the car up for sale for if you didn't want to sell it? I wish I could just deal with the car lot, but Brandon, like I said, Brandon has a limited amount of money.
So car lot's overpriced. We found that out even going to Philly.
So we're trying to find someone that's selling a car that really doesn't want it. And Brandon's trying to find an equal balance of
fun, but reliable. That's
yeah,
what it is.
and that's the hard part. So he's going to have to probably find something that's a little bit rough and has to have a little bit more work done to it, you know. But he needs something drivable, and that's the challenge. Finding something cheap, reliable,
and drivable.
It's not cheap and reliable because we can find that, but he wants to find something that's cool. Into it, it becomes like a contractor's triangle. You know what it is. I decided not to get that one because I just wanted a cheap one. I saw one for like 20 bucks. And cheapest one they had there was 44. So I'm gonna hold off and get one at Walmart. Good old Walmart because cheap. Alright, so we're here. We're just waiting for the guy that's selling the car to show up with it. Oh, there it is. Let's go. Hopefully it's not a complete piece of junk, but the fact we drove it here, it might be a good sign. Alright, so we just got finished test driving a 2002 Acura RSX. And the seller was asking $2,200 for the car. It's lower than most of the cars were. So we had to go check that out. The car from the outside, it was like a 5 out of a 10. It had a lot of rust over the rear fender wells, which, you know, we can repair, we can cut out the rust. It also did not have any power steering fluid for some reason. It all leaked out. It had a check engine light. It had an SRS light on it. And I took it on a long ride. Didn't have a lot of power, but that could be just because I'm a little biased, you know, with power. But it also hesitated a lot when when I gave it the gas in second gear. So the guy said, you know what, just shoot me an offer. And at this point, I didn't want to shoot an offer. Now, Brandon, I think he actually liked that car.
I said just to give any offer.
But it doesn't matter. Well, because if I shoot him an offer, I'm basically offering to buy the car. And I don't want to buy a car that is broke. And that car needs work. It needed work on the exterior. It needed work on the engine. The only thing that was pretty good was that car was the interior. The interior didn't look like it needed anything. It just needed to be cleaned out. So I'm trying to show Brandon a lesson that don't jump on the first car you see. And you don't buy crap. There's a reason why that car has been for sale for 2 weeks. And people have came and test drove it and passed. Even though it's like one of the cheapest RSXs for sale in our area, because that car needs work. It's probably a limit. So on to the next car.
Drives pretty good. Let's see.
Middle of the test drive, it actually rides pretty good. It does have a check engine light and an airbag light. The check engine light is because of no cat, which needs to be put back on. But yeah, that's it. Is it always like that? It's the next day. Brandon has to work. His work schedule is really kind of messing us up. It's making it hard to go and see cars that are cheap, because those cheap cars, the ones that are good and cheap, they don't last for very long. Usually they get sold within 24 hours, 48 hours. So I'm on my way to North New Jersey. We should have about a 2-hour ride here, and we're going to look at a Honda Accord. That looks fairly decent online, like all of them do. So, I could just be making a trip just to look at something really quick and turn around and come right back. But that's what you got to do. You got to weed out all the crap, and you can't be afraid to drive. I usually do like a 100-mile radius, and I'll go for it. If it's something I really want, I don't even know. I might drive a few more hours for it, but this is what you got to do to get the most for your money. You have to, you can't just go to your local car lots and search within 10 miles of your house, because you ain't gonna find anything there, or it's gonna be junk. So yeah, that's where I'm going. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to shoot any video. People get weird when we start filming them. So we're here. Just gotta confirm with the guy that I'm here, and let's see what this car looks like. All right, so here's the car. Shakiness going on, so we're filling up some tires. We're filling the tires out in here, and back there. He wants to see the inside and stuff, so I'm just going to take a quick video. sorry, Brand, I'm going to pass on this car. I'll tell you why, but it's probably a little bit too much for you. I'm sorry, buddy. Not this time. It is cool though. Plus $2,000 for it. Anybody wants that car? $2,000. It's done up. It's got engine work and everything.
So today we made up our mind. So we're going to pick up a car. We'll see you soon and shortly then.
Brandon about to see his car for the first time.
What's up, man? How's it
Good.
going?
How you doing?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Hey, man. What's up? How's it going?
That's my son, Brandon.
All right, nice to meet you guys.
So we're here, and we just bought the car, and we bought a car on a rainy day. On a rainy day, things you're not supposed to do: buy a car at night or on a rainy day. But I did look at this car. The first time I looked at it wasn't a rainy day, so we're good. All right, we'll see what happens.